Hi everyone, my name is Sean. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna show you this 110 type of the connectors from the 2 port up to the 5 port from the United States supplier. So let's get started. So basically, in every channel, I would just mention from this pin, the left side of this pin is always a female. So female terminal, female connectors. In the right side of this pin, it was always male terminal, male connectors. Okay, so let's take a look of this 2 port up to 5 port. And the purpose of this video is just trying to show you the the outside, the appearance of this type of connectors. So as you can see from this angle, like the 2 port is always have the on top of the female connector is always on top of it. There's an arrow pin, and in the male side, they pretty much don't have any mechanism. So okay, so let's take a close look of the the 2 ports, male and female. Okay, so if you take a look there's 2 port of the connectors, female, male, you will just look it will just look like this. And the function of this female, the pin on top of the female, the female connectors is pretty much is let you to push down, and that'll be able to insert in from the male connectors. And of course you have to see this this lead. You have to match this correctly. Okay, so matches. So when you push down, it'll be able to push all the way into the female. And when you push all the way, you will hear the click sound. It means fully lock. But I'm not gonna push it down. Okay, I'm just gonna show you. I'm just gonna show you how this look like. Okay, so in this 2 port always there's the blue colors of the connectors. The pretty much the function, they're pretty much the same. The function and the appearance is the same. They just a different color. Okay, 3 port. And as you can see, this is what I call the front side, the front side of the connectors. And front side of the connector is defined as when you mating with the female and the male connectors, it will be able to lock each other. On the other side, in the back side of the connectors, they always let you to be inserted with the crimping wire. So if you are interested in how the wire be crimped, you can always check my another video. I will make more videos of for your inquiry. So this is a 3 port female and the male connectors. 4 port. Again, iron mechanism, push it down. 5 port. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 port. Again, like the 2 port, the 2 port of this type of the connector is always using in the EV1 injectors connectors. So if you are like curious how this how what is application, so this pretty much is EV1 injector connectors. And also I have this two port of another edition type of the connectors. And again, like this look like this. So let me rotate a little bit. to show you. Okay, and also in the very last of this video, I'm gonna introduce this. If you see this, like the pink stickers in my videos, means like this video will be introduced for the waterproof connectors. On another side, if you see this blue stickers, is will be introduced with the non-waterproof connectors. So thank you again. Thank you for your watching. So I'll see you next time. Bye bye.